RC fans, unboxing video today. Welcome back to T&T RC, Tipton RC. Love a good unboxing. I love a good unboxing. As you can see, ARRMA across the top, ARRMA in the front, but it doesn't tell you what kind of ARRMA. I will tell you this is my second ARRMA vehicle, and guys, it will not be my last. I have a long list of ARRMA vehicles that I will be purchasing and reviewing. I am a ARRMA fanboy. I love ARRMA. I think they have taken the ready-to-run RC world and absolutely killed it with their vehicles. They have a proven platform. Their vehicles are fast, they're durable, they're affordable, they're easy to work on, they're cool looking. So I have an ARRMA Typhon 3S already, so you know it's not that. Woo! I love it, I love it. I've had my eyeballs on this vehicle for a long time. And this, my friends, is, making this a little difficult on you here. Let's get rid of this box and I'll flip this around so I can unveil what this is, because this is the ARRMA Granite 4x4 3S. I think they're on V3, version 3. So I had this in my cart for a long time. These are $339. They've been that for a while. And all of a sudden I get a promotional discount for $30 off. Boom, no brainer, done, here it is. Now, let me see what I got here. I got a different color because I believe I already have, yes, I already have some red vehicles, so I got the green. Isn't that cool? This thing's awesome. And you know what? Love a good new car smell. All right, let's pull this sucker out and see what we got in here, because I bought a brand new 3S battery and I want to drive this. But today is all about the unboxing. Receiver, they did such a good job of packaging these. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Woo! Love it, and I love it, and I love it. That is cool, guys. It is my first Granite. Oh, how good is that? Shocks feel so good out of the box. There's so many features on the ARRMAs that I really like. One of which is the body clip system. And they have these little rubber attachments so you don't lose the body clips, and you can just basically just pop them off. You can pull on these, they're rugged, just pop these suckers off like that. And you don't have to worry about putting the clips inside the body or throwing it, and putting them on the ground and then you lose them in the dirt. And this color in person is so cool. Really stoked about this. Look at that body. ARRMA does a great job with their paint schemes. Durable. Feels really good. Really nice. So we'll set that aside for now. This is awesome. This is awesome. Anybody who knows the ARRMA products, you'll see same old familiar setup with the big shaft down the center for the 4x4. I wish I had my 3S Typhon out here. It looks exactly the same with the same ESC servo and the brushless motor. Of course, this is 3S. They claim 55 miles an hour out of the box, and that's not a lie because I've watched many videos. And so this thing is amazing. This thing is, oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Comes standard, which I like with the wheelie bar, which I promise you, you will need. This thing will do wheelies on demand as it cruises down the highway at a cool 55 miles an hour. Also comes in the box with a pretty standard set of tools. They do a great job with their instruction manual. I usually like to peruse through it and just make sure everything looks good. They've got quite a few settings on the, I want to go right to this, on the ESC, punch settings, brake strength. We've got the running modes and so forth, and shows you how to do all of that in here. So please make sure you look through your manual. I also always make sure to give the car a once over. I check all the screws, make sure everything looks good and is tight. But you know, the attention to detail on the ARRMA, if you can see, they've got these big high plates in the front to keep dirt. They also have these protectors over the shocks in the front. A lot of people are, well, it's all plastic. Well, okay. And then you own one, and 2 years later, as you're still bashing it, you don't have any broken parts, you become a believer in the ARRMA build. This is why they keep costs down, and these things are so fast. Man, this is super cool. All right, here we go. Granite 4x4 BLX 3S. Let's get some driving in. Oh yeah, this is very fast. You see the balloon, tires ballooning just a little bit on the front end. See if I can get this up to full throttle. And full throttle. Woo! This thing absolutely holds. Ha! Some wheelie action. Oh yeah. That's why you have a wheelie bar. Man, this thing is absolutely, woo! This is so fun. Great steering. Pretty balanced for this speed. I mean, I'm turning sharp. Look at that. Soaks it up. It's crazy how good this is just off-road, and I can only hit the throttle. Let me get back here and get a better view. Man, this is just fun little off-road, but you can see how well this thing just soaks it up. Woo. It's just so fun. It's been a while since I've had an off-road monster truck. Oh, it is as good as they say it is. Steering's great. Very plush suspension. Throttle response. Oh, it's got so much power. Just oh. Look at that. Stable on its feet. Until you find a tree. Or a rock. Love that. you can just sort of feather the throttle and it just hops over some of these bumps. You can hear that. Oh, this is so good, you guys. So good. I'm having so much fun. So, just so you know, if you're watching, quickly hit the subscribe. I'm trying to build this as my new channel. I have a ton of videos of RC cars. Some of them, as you've seen already, are old school. I really like the history of RC and pulling out some of these sort of vintage vehicles and then going out and driving them. But ARRMA, this is not new to me. Until next time, guys, I'm Shane. This is TNT RC. Take care.